All right, so here we want to condense into a single logarithm. We have 1/2, and in parentheses, log base 6 of x plus log base 6 of y minus 2 times log base 6 of 1 over 36. Okay, so first thing we should do is probably just distribute through this 1/2. Okay, so when we distribute that, okay, the 1/2 does distribute to each term. So we get 1/2 log base 6 of x plus 1/2 log base 6 of y minus 2 times log base 6 of 1 over 36. Okay, now you're probably thinking, hey, I can simplify this, right? This log base 6 of 1 over 36, which, yes, we can. Okay, the thing is, though, remember, we're going to condense this into a single log. Okay, so we don't want to do that. Okay, so when we condense, we have to use the power rule first. So what does that mean? It means that we should essentially take all of these coefficients and turn them into powers of the base, right? So we get log base 6 of x to the 1/2 plus log base 6 of y to the 1/2 minus log base 6 of 1 over 36 squared. And now that there are no coefficients, right, so we use the power rule first, now we can combine these. Okay? And now when we combine them, right, remember, we're only going to have one log in the final answer. Okay? But then how do we know what happens, right? So once again, don't go one by one, and you don't have to like distribute and use parentheses, okay? The good way to remember this is any term that's positive, then that argument should go in the numerator. Any term that's negative, that argument should go in the denominator. Okay, so you notice that the log of base 6 of x to the 1/2 is positive, so we're going to put the 1/2, x to the 1/2 in the numerator. Similarly, we're going to put the y to the 1/2 in the numerator, but you notice this is a minus sign, right? So what does that mean? It means that the argument, that the 1 over 36 squared, right, that this should go in the denominator here. Now, I mean, for all intents and purposes, we could leave the answer like this, or we can flip this around, right? So we can bring it up as log base 6 of 36 squared, x to the 1/2, y to the 1/2.